Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to set up any router, full guide. Begin by connecting your modem to the router with an Ethernet cable and powering both devices, then wait for the status lights to stabilize. Next, connect a laptop to the router via Ethernet or Wi-Fi to access the web setup page. Use the default admin address, change the admin password immediately, and record your new Wi-Fi name and password in a secure place. Start by opening a browser on your connected device and entering the router's IP address shown in the quick guide. When prompted, log in with the default credentials and navigate to the basic setup section. Rename the SSID to something memorable but not personal, and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password. Change the admin password immediately and save a backup of the configuration once your basic network is working reliably. After basic setup, dive into advanced options to secure and optimize performance. Update firmware, enable WPA3 if available, and consider setting a separate guest network to protect your main devices. Configure CoS to prioritize important traffic like video calls and gaming, and enable parental controls if needed. If your router supports MU-MIMO and beamforming, enable them to improve multi-device performance, and always save a configuration backup after major changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.